Big up Crosses TV.
No boy, can't say. Over here so, messy, you're mad. Over here so nice and clean Crosses TV. I want them.
And this is a story I make up. This are facts. Facts. So when a big crutches, girl, no for walk and talk say Batman this and Batman that because you know all feel cocky. PrettiDon you never know say Spice. Did I look one of my friend? Eh? Spice, did I look one of my friend? She named Kim. Eh? What you say? Them can't talk to me. Oh, enough me know. Back in the day, I was a kid, but not anymore. I'm a teenager now. Enough, Dede. I came to name. So me now ask, you know. And I ask me to ask, you know. Spice all no up. Spice all door up. Girl who for all up people run it down and them no run down people. My all up. My all is up. You know see me sitting here so every day I look single though. Check my inbox. Ask Nurse Brown. Check my inbox. We are family. Yeah. Then girl, they are dirty girl. Then we Spice could come and tell me say she had this and she Spice and nobody for me no Spice are one way Spice live same way. Me not see no elevation for me to gain the concentration. It's so Calypso, let's go to the show starting with. Oh, me not say no candidates. Yeah, good Tinkerbell. Good. So when them walk and go and them can't chat to me PrettiDon, you're wrong. You're wrong. Go back to your artist. Go back to your no belly artist. Your artist will have no belly bottom. Go back to she. In a allo. She take people man and people man don't want her. The boy Augustine beat Spice, gone beat Spice come. Remember say Spice walk and man, the boy use me attack this. Years they got England go pick him up. England eat Spice. The girl them at England eat Spice. Spice in have no hole, your body lopsided. The side where alone you can take picture. You collapse. Big PrettiDon catch you up. Big PrettiDon catch you up, you collapse. Spice aside where your surgery ugly. People now tell you, oh, your surgery ugly without make up your face with a VW, V and W in a one. Talk about that, you get a Reebok sign, V and W in a one. Here's a Volkswagen. Me now ask you, you shape like Herbie, the long time buggy. Me now ask you, Spice, nothing about you and Queen, you beat the same material for no outer layer. On the skin lumpy, on the skin full of cellulites. On the one lay down. On a mash up naturality. Spice your body want beat out, smooth out, you want joker, underneath you want jack up. A man want go underneath you, engineer want go underneath you. You have some raw wire underneath you. Yeah man, underneath you want connect it trashy. Come like them dig out your breaker in your belly. Me now ask you, them jam up your breaker in your belly, Spice. You can't argue about pum pum. Me now tell you like your crashes favor Pampute face without makeup. Your pum pum favor Pampute face, your best friend without makeup. Me now ask you, Spice. Remember you didn't want to eat off the 3 little boys you gone too. Yeah. Remember you wanted to eat the 3 little boys who used to dance behind you. You gone 2 of them. Yeah. You don't complete your task. That's why you're miserable. Me not asking you, me not just wanna fit you. Them something for talk about. Them something for talk about. Your belly bottom a little bit rotten. Spice you sick and you alone a puff. You a puff without wind. You don't have to open up for your swell. You just swell by your own. On my own sickness have you like Patella Bell. What you say? I tell you don't make me talk. So PrettiDon when you hear this, just remember say your lip Miss Camille Clips. Your lip miss Camille clean. Every time you saw Camille front, your lip them numb. Them say that you take coke, you numb. And you want to argue with me in the belly battle. Your pum pum wawa and your pum pum wawa and in it. If you want to grab the things that were coming so it not drop out. Once your crutches get on, you can sex good. And I hear this a wash. To oh, PrettiDon own up spice. PrettiDon shouldn't be living in a motel where them give you a room number, not an address. A room number, PrettiDon having a PrettiDon have gate number. A room number should have. The girl living a life have gate number now, them not have no room number. Postman don't know which part to come for you, PrettiDon. Postman don't know which part to come for you. Remember you wash with everybody, you know. The rubbish over me. After I'm not telling a lie. The rubbish over me. Over me the rubbish there. The rubbish over me. Over me the rubbish I keep. Yeah, come on, go on, yeah, what do you? Wheel back the back of the choking at me. Oh. Yeah. PrettiDon, me not done with you yet. Me not done with you yet, PrettiDon. Me not done with you yet. Go brush your teeth. The whole of Camille leave in between your teeth. Me look now. Oh, RT boss, me not done with you yet, you know. Nobody feel say yeah, Belch, because guilt a kill you. Guilt a kill you. You see, this is what I don't like with people, RT boss. You're too liar. You're too liar. But me I come back later for you. Just that me want to leave. Just that me want to leave with you. Yeah. Me I come back later to your RT boss. You walk and pay people for bringing down. I know you get the show bring down. You never know when you pay people for bringing down. And me you should have paid for bringing down. And me bringing down the best, you know. And me you should have paid. You dig out here, you dig out here, and you don't give me this. I go talk the truth. So good Blinga. With your brown looking Raja. So cocky Blinga with your brown looking Raja. You have a brown Raja, you know, and I go like you know, have a fish. And so me know your catch is an aquarium and I need you're supposed to raw. And you're not see your blood because you're supposed to dry. I come in. But bad to bad. Miss Blinga look better than Pampute. That much me can say. Yeah. This much me can say. Pampute. Me not tell a lie. Miss Blinga look better than Pampute. He's not 39. He's not 39. You hook out. Remember saying you and Spice used to do crashes. The two of them did sodomite. Remember? When I like girls, I don't like them. Me not saying no like pound because on a victim them they are road. On a victim them they are road. Sit down and wait pound for bless them. Remember me know the scoop, so they can't trick me. The first challenge, people. The first challenge me I give PrettiDon before I go away. The first challenge me I give PrettiDon. PrettiDon walk far in your house and talk. Walk far in your house and talk, PrettiDon. Make your boys fade in your house and you know come out the door. Try that challenge there. Because remember saying that you just feel empowered because you just are in somewhere. Everybody in a life appearing before you, PrettiDon. And that you don't know. Down to the girl where greed and do have a baby father appearing before you. Down to unique where able boss greed appearing before you. Eh? Walk far in your house and make your voice fade. You don't have to see my house, my baby. I'm comfortable. See them have a breaker behind me. What that say? This alone supposed to answer my question. This alone supposed to tell us I'm up somewhere. Yeah. Here, that alone, I have a breaker seat here. Yeah, that alone supposed to tell you, sister, we're not smart. We're not do smart. Maya, them girls are not smart, Maya. Them girls are not smart. That alone supposed to tell you. Me can talk and shout and my voice sound remote. Yeah, my voice just fade. So when PrettiDon say move around, you can't move around in a matches box, the vision will go done quick. The vision will go done so quick, so speedily. You never know. So speedily. When I now leave PrettiDon, one thing me I beg you, walk, make your voice fade in your living condition. Walk and fade your voice. You can't do it. You cannot do it. Remember you're liar. April, remember she a liar. Me say me want somebody from Happy Corner come here one day. Go tell the story of Jesus. Yeah. Me didn't remember say I bless my blessing now. Me no stress. If Camille never put you out, you wouldn't rent somewhere furnished. The only thing you can talk about is the TV. That means you rent somewhere furnished. Girl who live somewhere, boy who live somewhere say, no, me I fix up my little place, I soon talk to you. You never fix up, you jump in. The only thing the place is short at TV, PrettiDon, you could have never trick in on the motel. You come like I Barney, asleep long time on settee and kitchen counter. And now she buy the bed, she showcase it. You come like I Barney. When you get something new, the world have to know about it. PrettiDon, you rent somewhere furnished. You rent somewhere teaching. Hold on the PrettiDon. Yeah, me not understand what the PrettiDon. Me not understand what the world knows. Say anytime me get up after the fridge top here, them know me overseas. It's so like funny. Once they get up after this, them know me overseas. Once they get up after your chair, you're gone inside. You never know that. You see the difference in you and I? When you get up after your chair, you're gone inside. When we get up after the fridge top, I'm going overseas. I'm going to make money and come back. So when you ask about move around, I don't move around to show assets. I move around to show ambition. You understand me? So you see, you miss the point? I don't move around, I move along. When you move around, you show rented and buying 2 TV. That's what you show. So when you sing and you want to talk to me about and you this and you this and you PrettiDon, you don't have nothing. Your background don't change. You and Camille have the same long background on the candle life outside. Remember you moved from out of Camille house to next door. So with the elevation, similarity. PrettiDon, you mad? You can't, nobody can cuss me about clothes and assets. Nobody at all, Maya, can cuss me about clothes, assets and them something. The more they can cuss me about, you know, a man. Nobody for true. So when I come attack this and attack that, PrettiDon, you want to lay down. You just a dream about what life could be. You want to lay down, my baby. You can't come for Sheb. You want to lay down, PrettiDon. PrettiDon, remember say you confused from years up to years so. Remember miss me a flower spot and the boy they were audio. PrettiDon, remember say you alone get drawaway and your butch. And you alone get cocky service against your will and your butch. Remember a long time you hook out in a PrettiDon, you hook out from your slim and favor rat bat pan diet. Remember when you did favor rat bat pan diet, PrettiDon? Remember people have your picture them way there. When you did look like rat bat pan diet. Now ask you. And from this, so people don't know you from Portland, you know. People never dig up your history, you know. That's it was easy for you to live with a cokehead. Because remember, say you stuck out. Yeah. And bend foot. You remember, you know her? No man, Nanny, you know her. You know her. When you could have separated an at a beach or an ankle. No found anything of Paul's. PrettiDon, if you talk about your days, your girl not like look back. Don't cuss her head, you cuss behind you. Cuss behind you. Yeah. When PrettiDon the table rat back pan diet, nobody can tell me. That's why she's a walking corona. I mean never get it wrong. PrettiDon can't talk to me. You're still there dust. I know you not reach down. All I know you not reach down. You're still there dust. From dusk till dawn. Yeah, I say, you know nothing, you know life, no life. No life on the internet, no gone away. Number one, no walk on teeth and do people things, no have to walk and look over the shoulder. No free like a bird, no have no sting like a bee. The whole of no wasp, one cannot make honey. I don't know who I do now. I don't come and go like on a potion. PrettiDon go suck out Camille and then you done. You broke your tongue in a Spice char up all. Cause Spice all look like Richie. Richie asleep in night. Richie feelings in there. I not even know the big fat man with the titty them with the ear. So yeah. With theme mouth. Cause in the one year my friend crutches until him send all my friend him would she send me it. And Richie would not look so well cause the whole head fever navel. Yeah. You mad Spice go suck you PrettiDon go suck out Richie bottom. Go suck out Richie feelings all and Spice go suck Richie old. And Camille go nibble pan Richie nipple. Yeah, me a cuss all on one time. Me a pack on up man. When me a rap gift, me rap everything. Yeah. Yeah, come and go like your potion and nothing. Spice will not have no grip, no grab, no glamity. Spice go you picnic them because your son look like him gonna turn out to be a promising batty boy. I saw your son look like him gonna be an undercover batty man. Remember him mother sodomite. Yeah. So I don't know where RT boss in an argument with your pa. But for him say that little boy go and play cocky cricket and cocky tennis. Big bop, boop, 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 bop. Suck your mother Spice. Suck your dirty woman. Yeah. And when you hear about me not RT boss, so you can't send PrettiDon for me. Eh? Rotten belly bitch. You can't send PrettiDon for me. You're mad. You're mad stinking Spice. That's why they just suck lal hood and lal never return him cocky to your hole. But you never know. You know, bitch. Number one, you know, say your man cocky want to change from your hole. You know, say your man cocky want to change from your hole. You know your man walk and grind everything coming in part. You know, just suck your mother Spice. Danger don't get the cocky and the cocky leave you. And that's a earth about 2085 T. Your reflection come too quick. Remember your days not done yet, you have more pressure for God show. Remember, boy you're 2085 and the whole of the tea underneath you, the boy no want you. The boy don't want you, lal never need you. A forced pregnancy bring forth one of the picnic or one of a baby sham. Rumor has it. What you say? Lal never want you from your take him away from your friend. From your take away your friend, man, Lal no want you. You're just not blessed and lucky with man. And you need to understand that not all are blessed with man and lucky with man. You're not blessed with man, you're not lucky with man. You're not blessed with woman, you're not lucky with woman. You just walk single. Why not evangelize? Why not evangelize? Yeah, send PrettiDon for me. Every time you send PrettiDon for me, I shoot her. Like, I don't know. Why she not tired for me kill her? Every time. And I pay freely about PrettiDon a dead pan. PrettiDon just a day show for charity. Yeah. Me not stop shoot PrettiDon. Because what PrettiDon can't say about me. PrettiDon you can't say about me the overseas that you live basic. Me the out here say me live how you feel live overseas. Where you say you just start living. Eh? PrettiDon that means say all along you there Camille, you don't know what the weather is like. Where I go on news. Eh? Who are the next sportsman? You don't know nothing about no news, sports and weather. From you there, Camille also live. Look how much years you catch with Camille. And you never know the use of television. That means it's a false prophet. A pay false news they bring. And you always make so cocky the coat batty spies. I pay you for come promote her negatively. PrettiDon you want to lay down. You want to lay down beside Queenie daughter with name Roro. You Queenie and Roro. Need for go play a domino, and I need one more. RT, where you depend? It's like you go, you send Miss Blinga, you know. Because yesterday RT bashed him. They overfeed so cocky live. With big old Blinga where I walk and empty the cesspool chuck in our hole. Me at a TikTok police code. Where I walk and empty the cesspool chuck in our crutches. You over your life. Come here so good RT boss. Remember all of the reason with you so cocky man. What are we you are send people come report my life yesterday. After me over here bust up the truth boy you over your darling. Eh? And then now you come message me this morning. How me I beat you so bad. So cocky RT boss. As much as how me I suck you out and a goggle your balls. Now run no joke with me, you know. Now run no joke with me. Can me send people to Sheba the backup page. Can me on to you. Sheba the backup page. Me on to you. RT boss remember. Yeah, send people over here come report live. You don't want nobody talk about you, but you must sit down with so cocky Blinga, shit up all Blinga. Eh? You know, say you want Blinga in a cocky part, in a cocky race. And then you talk about me, I beat you bad. After you report my page, RT boss come suck me, huh? And then make me you go down the road there. I tell you, say, enemies are nice individual, you know. I mean, nah, stop till I start dig out my hole properly. Oh. I really like you. But you have some little batty tactics where I like. Yeah, come and talk about me and beat you, but I not start beating you at RT boss. I have some beating put on for you. I'm going to fuck my buy a belt. My buy a belt. I not to talk the truth. I play hypocrite on the live. I PrettiDon you pay for cuss you. I PrettiDon you pay for cuss you. You pay PrettiDon for cuss you, so why when me a cuss you for free, you tell me stop? You walk and pay everybody for cuss you. Then a fool you take me for big hole. So cocky by old. See Martin post my page and she bother back up. So cocky by old. You walk and talk or you pay everybody for bring you down. So why when your bitch I bring you down for free you upset? Nyam crutches. Eh? Why when your bitch I bring you down for free, you're upset? You don't respect me. Hey, I want a nasty RT boss. I still have some questions to ask you about later though. I really have some questions to ask. Everybody you pay for bringing down, you know me the best bring down. You never look at me, it's a fool you take me for so cocky man. Goggle world dog balls. Eh? A fool you take me for. I know you talk about me I beat you unnecessarily. I beat you unnecessarily. I don't start beating you at RT boss, God no. I show my love you, me I go easy, but RT boss, I love you for sure. I love you for sure, man. You're my man. When all is said and done, you're my man. When you come to Jamaica, I have to suck your own. But when I have pants that has scratched my life, I'm feeling. You have this Blinga as your sidekick, and she big and duds. I take the cesspool holes in a fire hole. RT boss, I want you doing. Me, you supposed to run up into the sunset, but every time you meet the sun just not shining in the eclipse. No, RT boss is serious. Every time you run up in the sunset, the sun eclipse, the sun eat you. And because you like man and I hide, the sun hide from you. And the moon. In timing? Maybe in timing, you know. RT boss food good in, and the last time I put my mouth on it, Lord, it tastes like icicle cold. The last time I put my mouth on RT boss food, it frozen my lip. It cold. I wonder if it's a vampire cocky. Because I only dead cold, so you know. No, for sure. I hear about me I beat you, but I not start beat you yet, dirty RT boss. For the years me and you did, if you did that hold me up properly, you would make PrettiDon a tabo. You go over them boy, the PrettiDon go suck your mother, go suck your big old black mama, go suck your stinking old mama, who for all smell like abandoned clinic. Go suck your dirty black mama, the short tough lady, with shape like spice and black, like obia. Go suck out the whole of she. Remember saying that RT boss can come on my life. Remember the world know me, the world know you. You are who is a coke gear your papers. A stacky. After how many years you have sucked that kitty. Remember, PrettiDon you go like your statement. You can't talk over nobody food. Number one, no one wants to sit around a table with you because you have many people that fly from your mouth. You don't understand? PrettiDon you have germs and destruction. You're the only one who suck crutches and make it merge with bottom. You use your mouth and bring unity with Pum Pum and Batty. Remember that. Remember this way you have in the whole way you have in your face. Remember, you use it to bring peace treaty between Batty and Pum Pum under the stacky. Remember that. It's worse than a dog to its vomit and an act with walla. Remember, say down to maggot can wear high heels and bikini over you. You're worse than maggot, PrettiDon.